Guys, welcome to a So Your Kid Wants You To. On today's version here, we've got Pinewood Derby coming up for Cub Scouts, and we want to press a wheel in. Here's a quick tip that I haven't seen done anywhere else on how to press a wheel in. So look, so you got to press wheels in. You got one, two, see like the little pins that are inside of the little slot? Pin. And then this one's not pressed in yet. See that? It's like a little nail. What we're going to do is teach you in like 20 seconds how to do this. So if what I'm using is a vise, so you can see my vise. Now if I were to press both of these wheels in at the same time, they would get tight and they wouldn't really look right. It would be difficult to get them to both go in at the same time, or if I'm doing one after the other. This one over here that's already pressed in is going to be tight because the vise can't differentiate force between the two wheels. So here's what we do. Notice my little thing of duct tape right here, or electrical tape. We're literally just going to take the wheel that's already been pressed in, and this electrical tape fits right over it with a little bit of gap to spare. We're basically protecting this wheel so that we can press this one in without actually touching this wheel. It goes over it. I'll show you here. So you can see it's going to actually press against the tape instead of the other wheel. So that's it. That's our little hack. That's our little life hack. So I'm going to build these cars because it's almost midnight, and this is how it works. Living the dream every day. Have a great rest of the day, guys, and we will see you on the next one.